In this video, I'll show you how to install and use the Ultimate Trainer for Resident Evil 2 Remake to unlock cheats and gameplay features. Check my video description for this mod link. Download this trainer, select the download option and select slow download option and it will start downloading. And check my video description for this end site. Scroll down, under assets. If your game has ray tracing supported, then select this RE2.zip. If you doesn't have ray tracing supported, then select this RE2 TDB66 and it will download done. After the download done, right click on the trainer and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop these files inside the game folder. Once you're done, go back and open this GitHub mod and expect this open VR. Drag and drop these files inside the game folder. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, this menu will show. Expand this configuration. Select menu key. Set your key you like to open this menu. I selected one key. So once you selected the key, scroll down. Script generated UI. Expand and scroll down. Select use a separate window. Make this right side so you can easy to see the results. I'm gonna change this character, change it to Claire and select the checkmark pair character swap. And as you can see, character switch. Player health, you can reduce the health, increase the health, and it's actually working. And to close this menu, press the one key that's you already selected, and that's how you can use this trainer. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.